In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the histogram node. This node creates a set number of bins and then builds a graph with the count of values in each bin. This node is useful for visually exploring the distribution of values in a column. In addition to data exploration, this node is useful for inspecting feature columns because some types of modeling require different probability distributions. Here in the node configuration pane, the first thing we need to do is to label our graph. Next, we can select the column which we want the graph to be created about. The third and final option is to select the number of bins. This is the number of bins which the data will be split up into. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the execution page, after the histogram node executes, it creates a table that shows the values and the ranges for each bin. It also displays the number of data points that fall into that bin. Then it creates the histogram graph. We can also change the shape of the histogram graph using the options in the top right of the window. We can also visually inspect the graph to show the range of values for that bin and the number of values that fall into that bin. Thank you for listening.